Hi children, welcome back to Maths class. Today let us start exercise 6.1 fourth main. Subtract the following. First one, 13 kg 250 gram from 28 kg 550 gram. See children, subtract. What is that question? We should subtract the followings. See children, in subtraction you see which is the big. 28 kg is big, then the 13 kg. Means from is there, that you should write first. Okay. This one, 28 kg, 550 gram. Okay. Then next one is 13 kg, 250 gram. Subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay. 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 minus 2 is 3. Then 8 minus 3 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. Yes, answer is 15 kg 300 grams. Okay. Second one. "35 kg 550 gram from 17 kg 670 gram. Okay. First 70 kg you should write. 70 kg 675 gram. Then 35 kg 550 gram. Subtract the following question. It is 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. 6 minus 5 is 1 gram. 10 minus, because 0 is there, 10 minus it will become 6. 10 minus 5 is 5. 6 minus 3 is 3. Yes, answer is 35 kg 125 grams. Second one. Third one. 55 kg 335 grams from 85 kg 730 gram. 85 kg 730 grams. 55 kg 335 grams. Okay. Next. 0 minus 5. It will become what? 2. 10 minus 5 is what? 5. 2 minus means it will become what? 12. Then this will become 6. 12 minus 3 is how much? Yes, 9. 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 minus 5 is 0. 8 minus 5 is 3. Answer is 30 kg 395 grams. Next one. Fourth one. 28 kg 650 gram. Next. 63 kg 350 grams. Okay. Yes, right here like this. Minus. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. Yes, 3 minus 6 will not go. It will become what? 13. Then it will become 2. 13 minus 6 is, yes, 7. Okay. Then this will become what? 12. This will become 5. 12 minus 8 is 4. 5 minus 2 is 3. Yes, answer is 34 kg 700 grams. Next, kg gram. Yes, 34 kg. Sorry, 75. Yes, I forgot to write. You see, 75 kg 475 grams. 34 kg 585 grams. Okay. 5 minus 5 is 0. It will become what? 17. It will become 3. 17 minus 8. How much, tell me? 9. Okay. Then 3 minus 5 will not go. It will become 13. This will become 4. 13 minus 5 is how much? 8. Then 4 minus 4 is 0. 7 minus 3 is 4. Yes, answer is 14 kg 890 grams. Yes, children. Now, exercise 6.1 up to 4th main is completed. Now, 5th main, solve the following. First one. Now, 5th main, solve the following. Radha buys 2 kg 500 gram of carrot, 2 kg 500 gram of brinjal and 3 kg 250 gram of tomatoes from vegetable shop. Find the total weight of vegetable bought by her. See children, Radha buys 2 kg 500 gram of carrot and 2 kg 500 gram of brinjal and 3 kg 250 gram of tomatoes. Then what we should do? We should add together and we will get the total weight of the vegetable bought. Okay. Now see here. Write like this. Write first weight of carrot. Okay. How much weight of carrot you should write? Weight of carrot is how much? 2 kg 500 gram. Okay. 2 kg 500 gram. Then weight of brinjal is how much is there? 2 kg 500 gram. That also same. 2 kg 500 gram. Then brinjal is 2 kg 500 gram. Next tomato is 3 kg 250 gram. 3 kg 250 gram. Yes. Now you calculate the total weight of the vegetable. Yes. What is that first step? Right here in the gram place gram. Yes. 0 plus 0. Yes. 0. Then here 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay. Carry 1. Then in kg place you write here kg. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Yes. Therefore the answer is how much? Total weight of vegetable bought by her is 8 kg 250 gram. Okay. This is your first problem. Then next second problem. A merchant has 68 kg 250 gram of wheat with him. He sells 15 kg 250 gram of wheat to one customer and 13 kg 500 gram to another customer. What is the weight of the wheat remaining with him? Okay, see here children, a merchant has 68 kg 250 gram. Total weight of the wheat is how much? 68 kg 250 gram. In that, for one person he sells 15 kg 250 gram. Then another person he sold 13 kg 500 gram. Then we should find out the remaining quantity of the wheat remaining. Okay. Now first you should write here. Weight of the wheat sold to first customer means one customer is how much? That is 15 kg 250 gram. Okay. Yes. Then second customer you tell me. Second customer is how much? 13 kg 500 gram. 13 kg 500 gram. What we should do? We should add. Then only we get the weight of the wheat sold. That's why we should add this one. Gram place write gram 0, 5, 7. Then kg. 5 plus 3 is 8. Yes. The answer is how much? 28 kg 750 gram weight of the wheat he sold. Then we should find out the remaining. Then what we should do? Then total wheat and minus of this sorted wheat. Okay. Right here total weight of the wheat with one merchant. Okay. Is how much? With the merchant. This is one I don't want. With the merchant. Total weight is how much? 68 kg 250 gram. Then weight of wheat sold. How much they sold in that? 28 kg 750 gram. Okay. Then yes. Then weight of wheat remaining with the merchant we should find out. Then what we should do? We should subtract this. Yes. Right. Gram place is gram. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 7 will go children? No. Then what we should do? Yes, it will become what? 12. The next number will become what? Yes, what it will become? 7. Okay. Okay. 12 minus 7 is, tell me how much? Yes, 5. Right in kg place is kg. Okay. 7 minus 8 will go? No. What it will become? It will become 17. Then 6 will become 5. 17 minus 8 is how much? Yes, 9. 5 minus 2 is how much? 3. Yes, right here. The total weight of wheat remaining with the merchant is 39 kg 500 gram. Okay. Now, next one. Third one. The yield of paddy per acre is 29 quintals and 50 kg of rachappa 50 kg Rachappa has 30 acres of field. What is the total yield of paddy? See children, the yield of paddy per acre is how much? 29 quintals actually. And 50 kg Rachappa has 30 acres of fields. Then what is the total yield of paddy? We should calculate now. Yes, now you write the answer. Yield of paddy per acre. Per acre is how much, you tell me? Tell me how much? 29 quintals. Okay, 29 quintals and 50 kg. 29 quintals, 50 kg. 29 quintals, 50 kg. Yield of paddy of 30 acres. You should find out that 30 acre means 29 quintals, 50 kg into 30 we should do here. 29 quintals, 50 kg into 30. How we should multiply? See, I will show you. See children. Yes, like this you should write 2950. 2950 means 29. Okay, see here, remove here 29, Q is there. Okay, 29 means 29 quintals, 50 kg, 2950 into 30. Okay, yes. 0 into any number is 0 only. That's why 0 into any number is 0 plus. 3 zeros are 0. 3 fives are 15. Carry 1. 3 nines are 27 plus 1, 28. Carry 2. 3 twos are 6 plus 2, 8. Okay, see children, 0, 0, 5, 8, 8. Yes, that answer is 88,500. Means how we should read? 885 quintal. Means 885 quintal. 85 quintals. 885 quintal, but kg is last two digit is 0. Okay, 50 kg how now? Last two digit is 0. That's why you should write 0 kg, otherwise you left it. 885 quintals. The total yield of paddy is 885 quintals. Okay. Next, fourth one. 18 kg 400 gram of sugar is to be packed in bags equally. What is the weight of each bag? Weight of onions got from one field is how much, tell me? 16 kg 400 grams. Okay. Then second one. Weight of onions got from another field is how much? 56 kg 800 gram. Yes, first we should find out the total weight of the onions. Okay, gram place you write 0, 0, 12. 8 4 plus 4 is 12. Yes, kg place you write kg. 1 plus 6 is 7. This is 11. Means 117 kg 200 gram. This is the total weight of the two fields of onions. Then you should find out the total weight of the onions is how much is there? Tell me. 117 kg 200 grams. Okay, in that weight of onion he sold. How much he sold? 98 kg 200 gram he sold. Okay, then how much onions is left with the farmer? You should subtract this one. 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 2 is 0 kg. 7 minus 8 will not go. It will become 7. It will become 0. 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9 means how much? Yes, 9. Okay. Then this is 0. 0 minus 9 will not go. Then it will become 9. It will become 10. It will become 0. 10 minus 9 is 1. Next 0. Yes, answer is 19 kg. Okay, answer is how much? 19 kg. Okay, dear students, now 6.1 exercise is completed. Thank you.